Hello kids, welcome on Easy Drawing Time channel. Today we are going to draw and color a cute rainbow elephant. Let's get started. At first I'm going to draw his two cute eyes. Then his long elephant nose. And finally the shape of his head with two big elephant ears. Now let's draw his body with his four legs.
Next time, won't you sing with me? A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
Finally, I draw some water drops around her nose. Now I'm going to use a thick black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring for the coloring of our cute elephant. I am going to use the colors of the rainbow. I'll use red for his ears, orange for his head,
A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
I love my pen. And I color the rest of his body pink.
Now I know my ABCs.
Amazing.
Next time, won't you sing with me?
I use purple for his four legs.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
I color his nails dark blue. Use dark blue for the water drops. I finished the coloring with green for the grass.
Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Add some light blue into the background. If you like this video, do not hesitate to like it and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.